Hello viewers, welcome back. No matter what you're going through, always remember there is another phase of life to be seen. Be positive and keep moving on. I am back with another interesting video which is all about daily usage sentences. Let's check out. But before that, please do subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends and family members. And yes, without fail, press bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. Let's step into first sentence. First one is, what are you doing? Now let's check in Hindi. क्या कर रहे हो? Next in Tamil. என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க? This is in Tamil. Now let's check in Telugu. ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? That was in Telugu. And in Kannada, ఏం ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ? Now next one. What's your phone number? Now let's see in Hindi. तुम्हारा phone number क्या है? In Tamil, உன்னோட phone number என்னது? Now next in Telugu, నీ phone number ఏమిటి? And in Kannada, ನಿನ್ನ phone number ಏನು? Now third one, believe me. In Hindi, मुझ पर विश्वास करो. In Tamil, என்ன நம்பு? In Telugu, నన్ను నమ్ము. In Telugu, నన్ను నమ్ము. Now let's learn in Kannada, నన్నನ್ನು ನಂಬಿ. That's nothing but believe me in English. Number 4, what do you want? Now let's learn this in Hindi. क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? In Tamil, உனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? Supposing if you are asking in a respectful way, you can ask as உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணும்? Now in Kannada, ನಿನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? In Telugu, నీకు ఏమి కావాలి? Now next, number 5 is, see you again. In Hindi, फिर मिलेंगे. Now in Tamil, மீண்டும் சந்திப்போம். In Telugu, మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం, or you can also say as మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. In Kannada, ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋಣ. Next, number 6, I am at home. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. मैं घर पर हूँ. Now in Tamil, ನಾ வீட்டில் இருக்கேன். Now in Kannada, ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. In Telugu, నేను ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాను. Next, number 6, what are you working as? This can be asked in Hindi as, तुम क्या काम कर रहे हो? Now in Tamil, நீ என்னவா வேலை செய்கிற, or you can also ask as, நீ என்ன வேலை செஞ்சிட்ருக்க. Both means the same. In Kannada, ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ? Now moving on to Telugu, ఏం పని చేస్తున్నావు? Number 7, come quickly. In Hindi, जल्दी से आओ, or you can also say as जल्दी आओ. In Tamil, சீக்கிரம் வாங்க. Now in Telugu, త్వరగా రాండి, or you can also say as త్వరగా రా. Now let's learn to say this in Kannada. ಬೇಗ ಬಾ. That's nothing but come quickly in English. That's all for today's session. In the upcoming videos, we will be learning many more daily used sentences which are yet to be covered in our channel videos. Before I end up today's session, as always, my kind request would be, please support my channel by subscribing, and if you like the video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Till we meet up in next fascinating video, as of now, bye-bye.